Look at the size of that guy. Step one, knife skills, sharp. Okay, now that our knife is extremely sharp here, I always split my salmon down the center. That way I've got two nice long pieces, and then I'll decide how big I want my portion sizes. So here I'll look for anywhere from 4 to 6 ounce pieces. I'll section those off, and then I will start to remove the skin. If you look closely here, it's almost as if there's a little indentation between the skin and the actual meat. So I'll angle my knife. I'll start it off on that angle, and then I'll slowly enter between the actual meat and the skin. I will press down and have some pressure on top of that salmon. I find that helps my knife glide a little bit easier. If we miss some of the skin, not to worry, we'll just turn that over and we'll do a little bit of cleanup here. The same here, apply a little bit of pressure to the salmon, and that way we can continue on with our knife right through, and you'll see we have a nice clean piece. We'll go ahead now and package this up into our freezer bags. As always, I'll go ahead and throw a date on there, and that way I know when exactly it went in the freezer. That way I don't have my inventory, so to speak, mixed up. Having my salmon prepared is a great kitchen hack because this saves me time, especially if I'm going to go ahead and prepare a salmon casserole, possibly some sushi. It's already skinned and filleted. That way I am set to go. Do me a favor as well, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. That way you can follow along for more great kitchen hacks and recipes in the future. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to fillet salmon. Boom!